How do I enter restricted stock unit sales in Credit Karma? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. On this website, click on the login option. Then you want to enter the email ID and then your password. Once you have entered all the details, click on the login option. After you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of investment income. Within the investment income section, you should see an option to add a new investment or transaction. Click on this option to begin entering your RSU sales. Provide the necessary details about the RSU sale, including the date of sale, the number of shares sold, the sale price per share, and any relevant cost basis information. You may need to refer to your brokerage statement or tax documents for this information. After that, Credit Karma will calculate the gain or loss from the RSU sale based on the information you have provided. If you sold the RSUs at a higher price than your cost basis, you will have a capital gain. If you sold them at a lower price, you will have a capital loss. You may also need to indicate the holding period for the RSU to determine whether the gain or loss qualifies as short-term or long-term. Typically, RSUs held more than 1 year before selling are considered long-term. Double-check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once you have checked, confirm the details are correct and proceed to the next step. Depending on your specific situation, you will be asked some further questions. After entering all the relevant information, you can proceed with completing your tax return. All you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts. After that, you need to keep a record of your RSU sales and any associated documentation for your records. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.